Hello. In this video, we're going to go over finding the area of a sector of a circle. These problems are very easy, very nice, and very sweet, and we'll get through them. Easy points. Woo! First thing we need to recall, obviously, is the area of the circle itself. Let us draw a circle. Let us draw what we call a radius. A radius is a point on the edge of the circle that goes from the center to the edge, and then a diameter, which is from one edge to the next edge through the center. Now, that wasn't the straightest of lines, but we'll just make this like that. Cool. So this is our radius. I didn't spell that right. This is our radius, and this is our diameter. Perfect. The area of a circle is simply pi r squared. So pi times radius squared. That's it. That's all we're going to do to find our area of our circle. So when we're finding the section or just, area of just a sector, just a section, what we're going to do is make a little adjustment to this formula that we have, right? So let me redraw a new circle and let's take out a piece of that, right? Let's call this the center and let's take out a piece of that. What we do know is that all the way around a circle, it adds up to 360 degrees, right? We know that for a fact, 360 degrees. So when we're dealing with a sector, we're going to call this x degrees, how big that opening is angle-wise. So that is x degrees. And the area of my sector, area of sector, is equal to x over 360 times the area of a circle. That's it. That's all we're going to do. It makes sense, right? The area of a circle times the fraction of what we have, and that's it. Let's now apply this to some of these problems for 13 and 14. Shall we? Let's go with blue. Feeling blue today. All right. So first, we're going to see that we notice that my x is 60 degrees. We notice that my r, my radius, is 10. We have everything we need to solve for this area sector. All we're going to do is write area of sector. And then write, okay, x over 360 times pi times the radius squared. And that's it. Let's simplify this. We see that the zeros will cancel. 6 over 36 will turn into 1 over 6 times pi times 100. Now, we could either leave this in two ways. We can leave this because we can just leave this as a fraction. We'll simplify this first, put this over 1, cross cancel this, divide by 2, divide by 2. We can leave this as a fraction as 50 over 3 pi, or we can multiply by pi in our calculator or by 3.14, whichever is preferred by the teacher. And this one we will multiply by 3.14. And we will see, using pi equals 3.14, we see that this answer is 52.33 inches squared. That's it. Those are your two answers, one in exact form, one in decimal form. So let's solve for 13 and call it a day. Remember, pi is equal to 3.14. Let's do this guy in red. We see that my x in this situation is 150, so we'll go 150 over 360. Wait. Let's label everything first. X is 150. My radius is 3. Now plug it in. Area of sector is equal to 150 over 360. 150 over 360 times pi times 3 squared. All right. So as we go through this, we will continue and we see 150 over 360 will simplify. So we can see that the zeros will simplify. The top and the bottom we can divide by 3. So we will do that. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 36 divided by 3 is 12. We will rewrite 5 pi over 12 times 9. We will clean that up. This will be divided by 3, which is a 4. This will be divided by 3, which is a 3. And we will get 15 pi over 4 inches squared as my exact, and then multiply it by 3.14 to get 11.775 inches squared for our approximate. As you can see, these were not too bad at all. Nice and simple. If you have any questions or specific problems you'd like me to cover, please just send me an email. I'm more than happy doing another video. Other than that, hope everyone has a great day.